English Learning Network.
Welcome to today's lesson on 50 essential vegetable vocabulary, their amazing health benefits, and delicious recipes. Spinach. Spinach is rich in iron, vitamin C, and antioxidants. It's great for boosting energy levels and improving skin health. Recipe: spinach and ricotta stuffed shells. Kale. This superfood is packed with fiber, vitamin K, and calcium, making it great for bone health. Recipe: kale Caesar salad. Broccoli. Broccoli is another powerhouse. It's great for digestion, immunity, and it's rich in vitamin C and K. Recipe: roasted broccoli with garlic. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a versatile veggie that's low in calories and high in fiber. It's also great for heart health. Recipe: cauliflower rice stir fry. Carrot. Next, we have carrots. Rich in beta-carotene, they are known to improve vision and promote glowing skin. Recipe: carrot ginger soup. Sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are not just delicious. They're full of vitamins A and C, great for boosting immunity and gut health. Recipe: sweet potato fries. Tomato. Tomatoes are packed with lycopene, which helps with heart health and acts as a powerful antioxidant. Recipe: tomato basil soup. Cucumber. Stay hydrated with cucumbers. They're great for skin health and provide a good amount of vitamin K. Recipe: cucumber salad. Zucchini. Zucchini is rich in vitamin C and promotes digestion. It's a wonderful low-calorie option for many dishes. Recipe: zucchini noodles. Peas. These little guys are high in fiber and protein, making them great for heart and digestive health. Recipe: pea and mint soup. Eggplant. Let's talk about eggplants. This vibrant purple vegetable is rich in antioxidants and is great for heart health. Recipe: eggplant parmesan. Bell pepper. Bell peppers come in a variety of colors, and they're all rich in vitamin C. These crunchy vegetables are perfect for boosting immunity. Recipe: stuffed bell peppers. Brussels sprouts. Next up is the often underrated Brussels sprouts. They're high in fiber and packed with vitamins K and C, which are great for your bones and immune system. Recipe: roasted Brussels sprouts. Asparagus. Asparagus is another super healthy veggie. It's rich in folate and vitamin K, which supports heart health and bone strength. Recipe: grilled asparagus with lemon. Pumpkin. Pumpkins aren't just for Halloween. They're rich in vitamin A and can boost your immune system. Recipe: pumpkin soup. Green beans. Green beans are not only low in calories, but they're also high in fiber, making them great for digestion and heart health. Recipe: green bean casserole. Butternut squash. Butternut squash is sweet, rich in vitamins A and C, and a wonderful addition to any fall dish. Recipe: butternut squash soup. Cabbage. Cabbage is packed with vitamin C and fiber, making it great for your immune system and digestion. Recipe: cabbage stir fry. Beetroot. Beetroot is a vibrant vegetable known for improving blood flow and lowering blood pressure. It's also great for detoxing. Recipe: beetroot salad. Radish. Radishes are crisp, refreshing, and great for hydration. They also promote healthy skin thanks to their high vitamin C content. Recipe: radish salad. Leek. Leeks are from the onion family and are rich in vitamin K, which helps promote heart health and proper blood clotting. Recipe: leek quiche. Okra. Now let's talk about okra. It's loaded with fiber, making it great for digestion, and it's often used in hearty stews. Recipe: Okra gumbo. Corn. Corn is a staple in many diets around the world. It's high in fiber and is great for eye health thanks to its lutein content. Recipe: Grilled corn. Onion. Did you know that onions are great for boosting your immune system? They also help reduce inflammation. Recipe: French onion soup. Garlic. Garlic is not only a flavor booster, but it's also great for heart health and has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Recipe: Garlic sauce. Mushroom. Mushrooms are rich in antioxidants and are a great way to support your immune system. Recipe: Mushroom risotto. Bok choy. Bok choy is a nutrient-dense vegetable that's rich in vitamin C and K. It's great for boosting your immune system and bone health. Recipe: Stir-fried bok choy. Artichoke. Artichokes are rich in antioxidants and fiber, making them great for digestive health and lowering cholesterol. Recipe: Spinach and artichoke dip. Parsnip. Parsnips are root vegetables high in fiber and vitamin C, great for boosting your immune system and improving digestion. Recipe: Roasted parsnips with thyme. Celery. Celery is low in calories and high in water content, which helps keep you hydrated. It's also great for reducing inflammation. Recipe: Celery salad with apple. Fennel. Fennel is known for its licorice-like flavor and is great for digestion. It's also high in vitamin C, making it a great immune booster. Recipe: Roasted fennel with parmesan. Swiss chard. Swiss chard is packed with vitamins A, C, and K, which are great for bone health and boosting your immune system. Recipe: Sautéed Swiss chard with garlic. Radicchio. Radicchio is a colorful leafy vegetable that's high in antioxidants and helps improve digestion and heart health. Recipe: Radicchio salad. Watercress. Watercress is a nutrient-dense leafy green that's great for heart health and loaded with vitamin K. Recipe: Watercress with shrimp and avocado salad. Turnip. Turnips are high in vitamin C and help improve digestion. They're a versatile root vegetable you can use in many dishes. Recipe: Mashed turnips. Endive. Endive is a crisp and slightly bitter leafy vegetable that's high in fiber and great for digestion. Recipe: Endive salad. Collard greens. Collard greens are packed with vitamin K, which is great for bone health. They're also high in fiber, promoting healthy digestion. Recipe: Braised collard greens. Arugula. Arugula, also known as rocket, is a leafy green with a peppery flavor that's high in vitamins A and K. Recipe: Arugula and pear salad. Shallots. Shallots are milder than onions, but still pack a punch of flavor. They're rich in antioxidants and promote heart health. Recipe: Shallot vinaigrette. Rutabaga. Rutabagas are root vegetables high in fiber and vitamin C, making them great for digestion and immunity. Recipe: Herb roasted rutabaga. Snow peas. Snow peas are crisp, low in calories, and packed with fiber and vitamins A and C, making them great for overall health. Recipe: Garlic snow pea stir fry. Ginger. Ginger is effective in reducing nausea and vomiting, especially during pregnancy or after surgery. It may help reduce blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for people with diabetes. Recipe: Ginger rice soup. Jicama. Jicama is a root vegetable that's crisp and hydrating. It's high in fiber and vitamin C, promoting digestion and skin health. Recipe: Jicama pointed gourds. Pointed gourds help flush out toxins from the body, promoting healthy liver function. It has a low glycemic index, making it a good option for people with diabetes to manage their blood sugar levels. Recipe: Stuffed pointed gourd curry. Yard-long bean. They offer plant-based protein, which is beneficial for muscle growth and repair, especially for vegetarians and vegans. Yard-long beans contain calcium and phosphorus, which are essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth. Recipe: Yard-long bean stir-fry. Bottle gourd. Bottle gourd is rich in water content, aiding hydration and digestion. It's low in calories, supports weight loss, promotes heart health, reduces stress, and helps regulate blood pressure. Recipe: Bottle gourd curry. Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd contains compounds that help lower blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for people with diabetes. Its antioxidants help fight inflammation and strengthen the immune system. Recipe: Bitter gourd pickle. Acorn squash. Acorn squash is sweet and loaded with fiber and vitamin C, which are great for digestive health and boosting immunity. Recipe: Cinnamon roasted acorn squash. Red amaranth. Red amaranth is packed with vitamins A, C, and K, promoting eye health, immune function, and blood clotting. It's a great source of iron, which helps prevent anemia and boosts energy levels. Recipe: Red amaranth stir-fry. Taro. Taro is a starchy root vegetable that's high in fiber and potassium, promoting digestion and heart health. Recipe: Taro coconut soup. If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English Learning Network for more English lessons. Thanks for watching and see you next time.